everybody, this is Donna Miller with Miller Crafts. I want to thank you so much for joining me today, and if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified of future videos. Today we're going to put together a Happy Father's Day card. This is from Cricut Design Space. It's called Crazy Cute Cards is the cartridge that it's under. And this is a Cricut Access card. So if you have Cricut Access, this would be completely free to you. And this is one of their Make It Now cards. So I went ahead and cut everything out, and I was going to do a lot of the folding with you. So this is kind of like, it's going to turn out to be a box card. So whenever I get the Cricut cards, I don't like the way that it scores. It's not deep enough for me. And so I just take this to my scoreboard and I just score it again with my scoreboard. So we want to fold this one down, and then this one is going to get folded back. Okay, this is going to be kind of like the box. And then when you come to this one here, I already did this side here, so it's going to fold down this way. So you probably want to fold down first. So fold down and crease that really good. You can always use your bone folder if you need to get a better crease. So you're going to fold that down. Then these two pieces are going to fold in. So we're going to fold that back right here. And then you'll fold this one back. Right like that. So that they'll both fold inward. Okay, now before you actually glue this part together, I would recommend that you glue down all the pieces you want to glue down first, because it's going to make it easier than if you put this all together first. So this is what it came with. I went ahead and glued these two pieces together, and then we will go ahead and glue that down there in the middle. And I really like how it cuts out the holes for the Happy Father's Day. So I really like that. This is Art Glitter Glue, and I highly recommend this glue. It's my favorite glue. It works the best. I've never had any problems with this glue. Okay. So we will go ahead and put that as close to the center as we can get it. Alright, and then I don't think it really matters which way, but this was just an accent piece that it came with. It came with that one, and then it came with this wrench, and I really don't think it matters which way you put those down, so we're going to go ahead and glue those down. Just make sure when you place it, you try to place it right in between the seams, so that when it folds, you're not going to have any problems, and that looks really good. Alright, now I went ahead already and glued down the handles that came on here, and I don't know if you can see that, but I'm using a metallic paper. It's a silver metallic. I got this from Hobby Lobby. If you use your coupon, they're really not a bad price. And I'll link to all the products I used in the description in my blog. So you'll have to look at my blog. So these will just get glued one on each side like that. And when you're gluing, make sure you don't put glue on the handle, because you want the handle to stick up. So you want to glue right here and everywhere else, just not on the handle. Alright, so now that I have this part glued down, now we're going to go to the other side of the card. So it came with these parts. They're supposed to be kind of like a toolbox kind of box. So I'm going to glue one down on each side of this. So one will get glued down here and one will get glued on the other side. And I just because you can lay it flat, I really think this is the way to go to glue everything down before you put the box part to actually together. Well, it looks like I did make a mistake, that you should have glued these flaps down first, because if you wait and you glue that down first, then you can't, you're gonna be gluing over top of the design. And I'm not sure why I am only now just seeing that. So definitely you want to glue this down first. And I would definitely glue this down, the Happy Father's Day down, and probably these two side pieces down. And even though I made a mistake, I know how to fix it, because I'm going to go ahead and glue these on top of here. And then I'm going to cut this piece out and this piece out, and I'll glue that on top, and no one will be none the wiser. So that's what we're going to have to do. So we're going to go ahead and put our glue right here. Okay. And if I fold this in like that, then that will allow me, I'm just going to fold that one out to the side and push this down. That will make sure that it's going to be straight. So just push that down, and when it comes up, it should be perfectly square. Which it looks pretty good. You can see that looks pretty good on the square. All right, and then we're going to do the other side. I can see I need more glue right here. Okay, so this is going to be kind of what it's going to look like. And then this will fold down like that. So it will fit in the mail. You'll be able to mail this. It'll be a really good size for the mail. This is actually a little bit smaller than an A2 card. And then when it opens up, it looks just like a box. And I can see I need a little bit more glue on this corner. Right here. And I like how this comes open like this. And I think you could use this for almost any kind of card that you want a box to be there. You could put flowers in here and make it pop open with flowers. It came with these little tools, so you can put these in here. Okay. And then for my sentiment, what I did was I took this Happy Father's Day and I used the contour button so that this would be the perfect size. And then I took a circle and I sliced it out, and I wrote the word lift so that he knows to lift this up. And then here's my sentiment, because I didn't like how this didn't really have a place for me to sign my name or anything. So I wrote this: when it comes to great dads, you've nailed it. Thanks for all your help and always being there. So this will fit right in there. And then it has the easy part, so you know to lift that up and that there's more stuff underneath of it. Okay. And then it comes with this ribbon here that you're supposed to put, I think, in between the handles. And it's just supposed to fold back, and that just helps keep the card closed. Now, I'm not sure I would secure this on here, because if you did, I'm not sure how they would open this card up. So I think I would probably just leave it like that and just not put it in between the handles. Maybe if you want them to be able, if you want to glue it down, I would put it like this. So that way they could just slide it off if you want to make this glued down. If you don't want it glued down, then you could put it right in between the handles. Okay. And then when you open up your card, it looks just like that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and recut these two black pieces so that I can put them over top of that. and then you would never know that I made that mistake. So thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you've learned something, what to do and what not to do when you're making this card. And I hope this gave you some ideas and inspiration for your own Father's Day card. So please click that subscribe button and hit the bell to get notified of future videos. Have a wonderful day.